Hello, and thank you for using Smart Convos. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of creating a Convo ad. If you haven't created an account yet, visit signup.smartconvos.com to create your login. On the main campaigns page, select the campaign you'd like to work on and click Create New Channel. On the channel selection page, click on Select ConvoAd. First, enter the basic information for your advertisement. Create a title, description, and goal for your bot. You can also set a budget and timeline for your advertisement, as well as indicating which demographics you wish to target. Click Next when you're ready to move forward. On this screen, you can customize what your Convo ad will look like. Upload your own logo file and ad creative, and choose your avatar and theme color. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Submit and Finalize. Congratulations! You've just created your first Convo ad. Next, you need to tell your bot what to say to customers. Watch our video on how to create a bot script to learn more. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Click Support on the bottom left-hand side of the screen and send us a message, or feel free to give us a call if you require immediate assistance. Thank you again for using Smart Convos. Follow us on social media to see what our company's up to. Also, watch our other videos for easy step-by-step instructions for creating Convo ads and Convo bots, as well as how to create a script for your bot.